This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lisa Durant. Modern 3-bedroom half-duplex for rent in Eustis. This beautifully designed half-duplex offers 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an open floor plan perfect for modern living. Enjoy the style of wood-look tile flooring throughout the home. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, sleek quartz countertops, and plenty of storage space. The laundry area is conveniently located in a dedicated closet situated between the second and third bedrooms. The primary bedroom includes a walk-in closet, adding convenience and functionality. Step outside to a large backyard, perfect for relaxing or entertaining, and enjoy the added bonus of a 1-car garage. Schedule your tour today and make this incredible rental yours. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Durant at 352-729-7325.